अस्सलाम व्यूवर्स, हमारा आज का जो टॉपिक है वो साइंस सब्जेक्ट का है। सेकंड यूनिट हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी। मशीन्स वर्क्स बेटर एंड फॉर longer if they are looked after proper machines that cannot be used for the long time because rusty. Your body is like a machine, but it can mind itself. If you cut yourselves, the wound will soon heal. If it is kept clean. To keep the body working well, we have to look after it properly. Good foods, plenty of exercise, fresh air, enough sleep, and the clean habits are help to body to last of a long time. Our next topic is exercise. Exercise makes the bones and muscles strong. It also leads to birth health and it makes people feel good. Some exercises such as walking and playing in the playground requires little efforts. Exercises such as running, playing sports or swimming fast, vigorous. It make our heart, lungs and muscles work hard. Should aim to do a range of different activities to work or keep fit. What is good food? Good foods क्या हैं? We need to eat a balanced diet to stay healthy. A balanced diet is eating a wide variety of foods in the right amounts and having the right amount of the foods and drink to achieve and maintain a healthy diet body weight. Here is the guidance to the amounts of bread, rice and grains, meat, fish, nuts and eggs, milk and dairy products, fruits and vegetables and fats and sugar. We should eat fruits and vegetable is important. Grains, cereals and potatoes, dairy products, meat, fish, nuts, eggs and fat and sugar. Discuss the answers. What food would you serve to provide a balanced diet for the 3 meals of one day? Make a list and then compare your list with your classmate. The next topic is the sleep and rest. Your body and your brains need to rest. When we sleep well, we feel refreshed. An 8 years old usually needs about 10 hours of sleep every night. If you not get enough sleep, your body and your brain can be affected. You may grumpy, unable to concentrate and having much energy. The next topic is staying safe. The world around us is a pleasant place, but it cannot be dangerous too. It is important for us to look carefully before we do anything and think before we act. For example, fireworks are beautiful to look at, but they can cause many injuries. You spend most of your time at home, in school, on your street, the playgrounds. Let us look at the dangers in these places. The next topic is at home. Electricity is very useful, much useful. It gives us light and heat. It make manage things work. Electricity is very powerful, seriously. And electric shocks can kill the human. This is why all electric machines and wires are covered with plastic. Electricity cannot pass through plastic. Never place liquids near electrical machines. Never use electrical appliances near water. There are many sharp instruments in the home. They have a purpose. Use them carefully. Never run with them or leave them laying around. In the kitchen, never go near the stove. Keep clear of foods that is the cooking. Boiling water can burn the skin. Absolutely. Hot oils can cause bad burns. Never play with zero glass or medicines. Like never play with these things. उन्होंने आपको नीचे ऑप्शंस भी दिए हैं कि आप किन चीज़ों के साथ घर में खेलें मत. ये चीज़ें खेलने के लिए नहीं होती, ये सिर्फ यूजेबल थिंग्स होती हैं. अच्छा, इन द बाथरूम बी केयरफुल ऑफ स्लिपरी फ्लोर्स. मोस्टली ऐसा ही होता है. देन द टॉपिक इज द एट स्कूल. बैड बिहेवियर्स लीड to many accidents हादसात. This is why there are some school rules. Follow the rules. You will give not hurt yourself or others. Do not throw things in class. Do not climb on the desk. Use school environment carefully. Thank you so much.